Hello and welcome to the Extremal World News channel. Today we want to show news about Colorado, a snowstorm that has frozen the street in Colorado. A highly unusual spring-like winter storm came through the Front Range, creating treacherous driving conditions along the urban corridor and dropping so much needed snow across Colorado. Widespread albeit light snow will continue across the urban corridor and eastern plains throughout evening into the hour, but it will be tapered off by the evening.
Come on.
Fun fact, Denver has now tied the record for the top 5 leisure day January snowfalls, set in 1998, coming at 8.6 as of noon Wednesday. 1 to 2 inches of additional snow is expected, with more for the eastern plains by tonight. Thanks for watching. Follow my YouTube channel. Let there be only good weather in your part of the planet.